Hello and welcome. I'm back to talk about another valuable resource for your employee training. Performance Support Tool. Performance support tools are resources given to employees to help them improve their job performance. These tools can be used alongside formal training or on their own, whenever needed. Let us now discuss why we need performance support tools. Performance support tools offer employees access to information and resources whenever they need, allowing them to quickly find answers and solutions to problems. With performance support tools, employees can acquire new skills and knowledge that can help them to perform their job duties more effectively. Performance support tools offer employees autonomy in their learning and development, which can lead to increased engagement and job satisfaction. Considering these benefits, I can vouch for performance support tools as key to employee training. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more such content.